do to this thing? Or what are we doing to this thing?
Well, while you were upstairs sleeping in your f***ing hole,
Yep.
I did a fuel pump. Now I'm doing injectors.
Okay. Isn't this thing low miles?
Yeah, I think so.
5,000 or something like that.
Yep. 5,000 mile fifth gen.
It's pretty low.
You're low.
Good one, Eric.
I'm just saying that's because that's something you would probably say.
No, I would say your face is low. What is it?
Those fans I ordered?
Oh, yeah, those. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, these things are supposed to be pretty neat.
Neat?
Those fans that I ordered? Yeah, like Mr. Gasket or whatever. I don't know, Holly came out with them and...
Pretty low pro.
Yeah, I figure like... I mean, for my race car, or like if we have something here, we start a car, like stick it under the car, because it sucks in like from the top.
Sweet.
Let's have Steve put his finger in it.
One of the blades.
It's not very nice.
Sure it does, doesn't it?
Yeah, it smells new.
Is it push high?
It's not bad. It's not loud.
He's got another plug on it too, which is nice. And the handle wraps up. I got them for like my race car too, but I was like, if they're nice, I'll like buy a couple more for the shop.
Sweet. Plug.
We'll put their YouTube video right here.
Okay, we can do that.
I swear how I saw it on their YouTube. I was like, that thing looks cool. I'm gonna order some of them. And then they had like 300 in stock, so I got dose.
Sweet.
Here, I'll leave this one here in case you guys want to use it. See what the packing slip says. 900 CFM.
You should like.
Part number 33230G.
Hi.
Hi. Nice thumb. It's gross.
You can see the Blair blood underneath it now.
It's gross.
I don't care. I can use it, bend it, and move it
Sweet.
instead of being permanently.
So you won't complain anymore?
I mean, I still can't use it completely.
Jeez.
It's Christmas.
Going on a shopping spree here.
Yep. Friend.
Mom, you know you're not supposed to spend a certain
Not spending
amount.
all my money.
So it's all done to this thing.
Header. Cam. It's got stock air intake and shit on
Just
it.
did for it too.
Yeah.
Cool.
waiting to die. All my life, I've been addicted to the wrong side. Every road I took, I despise. I won't lie, there's no exception here for this time. The anthem's done, remember you. I think it's time to go. Don't pretend like you're my angel. Oh, you drag me straight to hell. You fly on broken wings with all of my dreams. Oh, you drag me straight to hell.
Sweet. Good job, Eric.
Thanks.
What's this going?
The yellow C6 in the back.
Oh, the one that like dropped a valve
Yeah.
last year or whatever. We did a video of that.
Yep.
It's a little overkill. He's not boosting it or anything?
As of now, no.
Oh, okay. Maybe
Nope.
prepping for boost in the future?
Yeah, I don't know. So he's just doing this for now, and then I guess down the road, maybe something else.
Okay. Makes sense. This thing's loud.
It is not quiet.
I knew you were gonna say that. So original.
It's loud as f-
There you go.
with some enthusiasm. Fucking Bill Cosby. You sounded like him there.
With the pudding in the jello.
Pudding in Jello?
I don't know. He does jello ads. We're used to.
You put pudding in Jello?
And the jello and the quaaludes and the rape.
Quaaludes, Jello, and rape. Man, sounds like a fucking party.
Well, that's how Bill Cosby used to party, apparently.
Hey, man.
Pretty good, huh?
On a scale of 1 to 10, it's about a 0.03
No, dude, it's at least a 6.
out of 600.
No, out of 10. I don't claim to be good, it's just...
Oh,
You could guess who I'm trying to imitate.
no one told
so-
you you were good either. You happy with your little stool?
Yeah.
Should we get you another one over there?
So what's all done to this thing? Let's skip to the chase.
I don't know.
You don't know ever.
We didn't do it, so I especially don't know. He bought it. They told him it made a bunch of power. And he just wanted us to look it over to make sure it was good.
How was the tune?
It was a tune. There was an A tune in there.
Okay.
I've seen worse.
Well, we know.
I've definitely seen worse.
Well, that's good.
Yeah.
A little baseline action. Put your guesses in the comments what you think this thing's gonna make. Tyler, we're gonna take guesses, by the way, on the SS.
either way.
So it's an auto. It's got Cook's headers. I'm guessing 370.
388.
388. Tyler?
365.
365? Okay.
Go low.
Oh, it's got an intake too. Uh-oh. Might have to bump up my guess, actually. I'm going 395 now.
Can't change it. Can't change it.
Too bad. I just did. Eric's angry. What else is new?
Cheating.
388,
Untuned with headers.
395, and 365.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
2017 SF.
Jack Mehoff.
Officer Mehoff. Jack.
Tyler's never seen Black Sheep, so
Probably not.
no. Closest.
Damn it, I was gonna go 420.
That's a good win for me. Thanks,
good,
Eric.
good win.
Good win.
Good win. Good win for me.
Thanks, buddy.
Good win for me.
Play again next time. He gets so butthurt when he loses. Or Eric. Gonna put those on the C7Z Pro Charger one.
Yep.
Nice. So I just put those valve covers on the website, actually. People were asking where they can get them. They're K-Tech valve covers, but they're on our website now. However, the only way you can get the Race Proven Motorsports inlay on them is if we build it, so sorry people. But they can order ones with slotted or not slotted and get a blank and put their own logo in if they want. But they are on the website with the coil relocation brackets. Stock ugliness. Not stock.